I guess we can't imagine life without our mobile phones. Especially their cameras are so good those days. But there are so many limitations that if you want to have full photographic experience, you can't do it really with your mobile phone. You can't do really proper long exposure shot or attach the super telephoto lens to take some wildlife scenes. And you can't do flash photography unless you spend thousands of euros to buy photo flashes. You need to reach for something else. Hi, my name is Raf and I'm a full-time professional photographer and video maker based in Dublin. I can't imagine my life without photography. It's not only a job, this is my most exciting adventure of my life. In this video, I would like to show you one of the best options, in my opinion, if you decide to buy your first proper camera. A couple months ago, I needed a third camera for my live streaming setup and I decided to buy a tiny Canon M50 Mark II. This is one of the Canon's M series crop sensor mirrorless cameras with 24 megapixel sensor. This camera used their native EF-M mount lenses and there's quite nice selection available. If you want to capture a stunning landscape, there is 11-22mm. If you need general purpose zoom lens, you have it 15 to 45mm. Or if you need more reach, there is pocket-friendly telephoto 55 to 200mm. For me, really important was ability to use my collection of full-frame lenses on this body, using dedicated Canon EF to EF-M adapter. This allows me to use this camera as my backup body, especially this little guy is equipped with hot shoe, which let me use my flash guns. The form factor is super important. And this particular camera, coupled with pancake-style lens, 22mm, simply fits in your pockets. This makes this camera absolutely perfect for travel and street photography. If you want to go big, no problem. I was using this even with my huge Sigma 150 to 600mm. Autofocus system is really snappy and what I really love about this, it has actually eye detection system that helps you keep the focus on people and animals. The menu is super intuitive and fully support touch navigation. You can also set your camera for touch shutter release, so when you touch the screen it will focus and then take a picture. One of my favorite features is Wi-Fi transfer directly to your phone. The app on your Apple device on Android simply works, and you can even change the settings on your camera remotely without any hassles. Video capabilities of Canon M50 Mark II also are very decent. You can shoot up to 50 frames per second full HD, which gives you then ability to slow down if you want to have nice slow motion. Also, you have 4K on board, 25 frames per second, although with some cropping. For me, important feature is external microphone socket and so-called clean HDMI output, which is very important if you want to use this camera for live streaming. This camera also offers plenty of other features, like vertical video, time-lapse, or even you can use it as a webcam for Zoom, any conference call. The difference is huge compared to any classical webcam. Overall, Canon M50 is a really capable package, great for travel and content creators. If you have any question or would you like me to review any particular camera, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.